You need an aircraft, one that's beneficial both in schedule and in cost. You can afford sole ownership, but you don't fly enough hours a year to justify the cost. Options like supplemental charter of your aircraft just don't make sense, while fractional and membership models increase your cost per hour. Neither is ideal. The most cost-effective solution is to partner, but self-managed partnerships often end poorly. Introducing a new way to partner. Partners in Aviation. Think of us as your business aircraft matchmaker, pairing you with the right co-owner and the right aircraft for your mission. And through our managed co-ownership model, you gain the security you need with accessibility comparable to sole ownership at half the cost. But what is PIA Managed Co-Ownership? Managed, a designated professional management company protecting the interests of both parties. Plus, our unique scheduling with bi-weekly control and incentivized sharing gives you unparalleled access to your plane, typically 25 days a month. Co-ownership. We match you with a vetted and qualified co-owner and assist in the acquisition of your dream aircraft, all under an agreement that provides comprehensive protection and a defined term with options for exit, continuation, and upgrade, all structured entirely by Partners in Aviation. Opportunities across the nation are growing daily. Are you ready to find your match? PIA Managed Co-Ownership, the wisest model of aircraft ownership. Schedule a consult today.